So we've now gone over the 6 common fallacies. We're going to concentrate on this term, whether it's in your homework or in the textbook. I wanted to rewrite them again once on a single page. The personal attack fallacy, that's when you attack a person to draw a conclusion contrary to their views. Appeal to ignorance is when you use a lack of knowledge to prove a conclusion. Appeal to authority is using an authority figure's opinion to prove a conclusion. False dilemma is an either-or situation that falsely precludes other choices. Straw man or person is a situation in which you distort a person or an opponent's argument to draw a conclusion. And then finally, post hoc uses the fact that one thing occurs before another to prove that the first caused the second. All are pretty common, and you can probably think about times where you've heard one or more of these fallacies used, especially in politics or advertising, or maybe just in your everyday life. You may notice that somebody does this. They draw a conclusion without having proper proof to back it up. So that's what a fallacy is when you don't have enough proof to back up your conclusion. It doesn't mean the conclusion's true or false, it just means you don't have enough proof to back it up. Now, we just looked at 6 fallacies, but there are many, many other types. It can actually be fun if you're interested in this to do a web search on fallacy types and explore others like slippery slope, circular reasoning, hasty generalization, appeal to popularity. By investigating fallacies, in other words, seeing where things go wrong, that can help you be a better consumer of information when you're in some media source and you're getting bombarded by things. It can help you be a better, judge of arguments if you've seen where things go wrong. So now that we've looked at where things go wrong, we're going to then take a step back and go back to the beginning of Chapter 1 and look at the rules for how to make things go right. In other words, when is something really true? When is something false? And when is an argument valid? So we'll look at that in the rest of the chapter.